Hello, everyone. William here with another episode of Pronunciation Power Up. In the last Pronunciation Power Up, I talked about how many people pronounce the number 20 as 20. And in today's Pronunciation Power Up, I want to talk about how many people pronounce the number 30 as 30. Let's get into it. Notice what happens to the T sound when we say 30. We change T to D. Now, to say 30 isn't incorrect, but many people will pronounce it as 30. How about some other numbers? Please repeat. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now, how about this one? Notice this word has an NT combination. Not exactly NT, but the sounds N and T together. My question is, do you think this is pronounced 90 or like 20? Is it 90? Think about it. Okay, time's up. If you said 90, you would be correct. If you said 90, you would also be correct. Some people pronounce this as 90, and others pronounce it as 90. Now, like 20, I mentioned that this pronunciation is very common with American speakers, Canadian speakers, Australian speakers, even sometimes British speakers. Rarely, but occasionally. Now, do we only do this with numbers? Absolutely not. Most often, we use this pronunciation when a stressed syllable is followed by an unstressed syllable with a T sound. For example, 30. The th is stressed and the D is unstressed. Another example, 40, 50, 60. So let's look at some sentences where we can use this pronunciation. Number 1, please repeat. It's getting cold. Where's my sweater? Next, my computer is pretty bad. Next time, I want to get a better one. Notice in this sentence, we have the same pronunciation when we link get to a. So this pronunciation is not only within one word, it can also be used when linking two words together. So this is getta. Getta. Up next, I'm getting thirsty. I need to buy a bottle of water. And finally, Canada's capital city is Ottawa. The United Kingdom's capital city is London. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you very much for watching. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you think somebody else would find it useful, please feel free to share. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you very much.